Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a nice algebraic expression, and now we convert this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here we have 4 to the power of 8 minus 16, and now we write this base 4 as 2 square and its whole power 8 minus 16. And after that we use here the nice exponential law, and we know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So here we use this nice exponential law in the first term, and our first term will be written as 2. So here we multiply these two exponents, and you know that 2 times of 8 becomes 16, and we have 2 to the power of 16 minus 16. And now in the next step, here we just focus in the first term, and now here I will just give us a different technique, and it is an easy technique in which you easily get the value of 2 to the power of 16 without using the calculator. So here we rewrite this expression as 2 to the power of 8 and its whole square, minus here you have 16, and we write it as 4 square. And after that, here we use the nice square identity, and you know that if we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we use this nice square identity in this expression. So here we have the value of a is 2 to the power of 8 and the value of b is 4. So here first we use this nice identity on this term, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 8 minus 4 into 2 to the power of 8 plus 4. So now the next question is that how to find the value of 2 to the power of 8. So here I will just introduce a unique and easy trick in which you can easily find the value of 2 to the power of 8 without using the calculator. So that here you see that if we take 2 and its exponent is 1, it is equals to 2, and we have 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4, and we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8, and 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So here you focus in the right hand side, and you see here all the next term are obtained by multiplying by 2. So if we have 2, and when we multiply it by 2, so you get here 4, and when we multiply 4 by 2, you get here 8, and when we multiply 8 by 2, then you get here 16. And similarly, if you get the value of 2 to the power of 5, it means that you just multiply the 16 by 2 and you get here 32. And if we find the value of 2 to the power of 6, it means that you multiply 32 by 2 and we get here 64. And you have 2 to the power of 7. So now you multiply 64 by 2 and you get here 128. And you have 2 to the power of 8. So 2 to the power of 8, you multiply 128 by 2, then you get here 256. So it means that this 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 256, and we replace this value on both of these two terms. So that when we put this value here, it will be written as 256 minus 4 into 256 plus 4. So here we just subtract 256 by 4, then we easily obtain here 252. And similarly, when we add 256 plus 4, then you get here 260. So after that we rewrite both of these two values, and here first we focus on 260. So we first write this 260 as 250 plus 10, and we write this expression 252 as 250 plus 2. Okay, so now this will become the simple product of two numbers or two pairs, so that here you know that how we multiply these two numbers. So here first we fix this 250 and we multiply this 250 by 250, and after that we multiply it by 250 by 2. So we can just do this step here. So when we multiply 250 by 250 and after that we multiply 250 by 2, and plus similarly we multiply this 10 by 250 and after that we multiply this 10 by 2. So when we multiply this 10 by 250 and plus after that we multiply this 10 by 2, so you get here in this way. Okay, so after that here we need more simplification, and here when you multiply this 250 by 250, so the trick of this multiplication is that we know that 25 multiplied by 25 equals to 625. So here you have two zeros, so we just add these two zeros here. So if this form, it means that the product of these two numbers is equals to 62,500, and here you can easily multiply these two numbers. 250 by 2 equals to 500, and plus here you multiply 10 by 250, so it will becomes 2500, and here we easily get the product of 10 by 2, and we know that 10 by 2 equals to 20. And now after this step, here we add all these smaller numbers, and we first write the bigger number as it is, so it will becomes 62,500. So here you have 2500 plus 500 is equals to 3000, and 3000 plus 20, so we first write it as 3000 and plus 20. It is more simplified way. Okay, so after that here we just add these three values, and you have 6200 and 2500 and plus 3000 plus 20 becomes 3020. And now the time to add these two values, so that when we add 6000, so here we add these two values by traditional way. So the traditional way is that 62500, and this is 0 2 0 and 3. So here we simply add these numbers. So you have 0 and 2, this is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6. So finally you have the final simplified form of the given expression is 65,520. So this is our simplified form of given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.